Let's get your news break coming in from Maharashtra's Nashik, where stone pelting has been reported at a dargah. The violence breaking out during an anti-encroachment drive as mob tried to stop officials from doing their job. They were on demolition duty, and so locals gathered in large numbers and tried to stop them from demolishing property. Multiple cars have been damaged. 15 people have been arrested for resorting to violence and stone pelting. 21 cops were also injured in these clashes as they were targeted by this unruly mob. This was demolition that was authorized, and so the civic team landed up there to go ahead and do their job. Instead, they were met with stones, clashes that broke out, and these are some of the images coming in of the demolition drive that kicked off today after violence played out.
तो वहाँ पर पुलिस अधिकारी मौजूद थे, वरिष्ठ अधिकारी मौजूद थे। उन्होंने भी उनको समझाने की कोशिश की, फिर भी वो नहीं माने। इसके ऊपर उन्होंने वहाँ पर पथराव करना शुरू किया। इसलिए उनके ऊपर सौम्य बल का प्रयोग करके उनको वहाँ से भगा दिया गया। इसके अनुसार गुना दाखिल करने की प्रक्रिया शुरू है। इसमें 15 लोगों को अब तक हिरासत में ले लिया गया है और जो लोग वहाँ पर जमे हुए थे, जो आरोपी थे, उनकी 57 मोटरसाइकिल भी जब्त की हुई है। इस घटना में 21 पुलिसकर्मी, अधिकारी, अमलदार व मामूली उनको परिस्थिति पूर्णपणे
माहौल शांततापूर्ण है। माहौल में जरूर तनाव है, लेकिन शांततापूर्ण में लगभग 1000 पुलिस का बंदोबस्त पूरे इलाके में लगाया गया है। जगह जगह नाकेबंदी की गई है। आप मेरे पीछे देख सकते हो कि ये मेन रोड है, जिस रोड पे ये दरगाह थी। यहाँ SRPF और नासिक सिटी पुलिस का बंदोबस्त तैनात है और पुलिस का कहना है कि अभी सब लगभग शांततापूर्ण तरीके से ये काम जो है वो चल रहा है। कोई लोग अफवाहों पे ध्यान ना दे। जबकि गुना दाखिल करने का काम सुबह से शुरू था, अभी तक गुना दाखिल नहीं किया गया है इस पत्थरबाजी के मामले में। लेकिन पुलिस ने कहा कि प्रोसेस शुरू हो रही है, पहले ये बाजार निकलना, क्योंकि हाईकोर्ट के ऑर्डर है, ये बाजार निकलना जरूरी है, उसके बाद वो बाकी पुलिस एक्शन होगी।
So this demolition drive actually took place based on a high court order, so authorized by the courts, and yet blocked and met with this kind of violence. Stone pelting being reported through the night in Nashik as locals tried to stop this particular demolition drive. Remember that this was to target a dargah, and we understand that stone pelting has been reported right after that. The situation currently under control, but unfortunately 21 cops have also been injured as a result of the clashes that broke out last night. An anti-encroachment drive taking a violent turn in Nashik. Vidya is joining us with more details on this. Vidya, take us through what really played out. We understand that this was a demolition drive that was authorized by the courts.
As and when the demolition drives do happen, the municipal corporations generally do seek police protection because there's always a threat of, someone or the other reacting. And that is one of the reasons why appropriate, police protection had been sought by the municipal corporation. However, when they reached the spot, there were some rumors that started from there. It is being said that there is a huge mob that collected right at the Nashik, the crossroads, and that's when the stone pelting really started. Though the Nashik police was very clear and was asking people not to pay attention to any of the, social media forwards that were being put forth, but because a large mob had collected and they started pelting stones. 21 policemen were injured in this. They have been taken to the hospital. They were treated. Some of them have been discharged, but many of them are still in the hospital. And the police tried their best to make sure that the situation comes under control. The debris of the illegal construction that was with the dargah that was being removed, that is also being removed to make sure that no remnants are there to invoke, any more feelings. But of course, the Nashik police was continuously asking people not to pay attention to rumors and not to collect, and a mob should not really collect any further.
All right, Vidya, thanks very much for getting us those details. The situation in Nashik now under control.